Ambassador of Uganda, Ambassador of Ivory Coast, Côte d'Ivoire. Thank you very much for coming. Algeria, so about. Apologize. I want also to thanks to Friends of Burundi for having responded to our invitation and accompanying the Burundian to the celebration of the 6th anniversary of the independence of Burundi. This is a special great day for Burundians. We have listened to the song of our independence, and we must take all of the words from our national anthems as our guidance, because this song is full of inspiration and the love of teachings. From the day it was sung, everything reflects to the image of teachings. Burundians must therefore take it by heart, and that must be put into practice in everything they do, in everything they say, and in their behavior, such as the wish to be respected in the international level, which is contained in our national anthem. Consequently, the nation will be respected and ballooned because a man is respected as he is. To have a significant place in the concept of the nation, it means kushinga ichumwashinga, which is a patriotic value of behavior characterizing someone who is independent, especially like Burundian. According to the speech of our hero of independence, we are all invited to evaluate our progress through our reflection of different values such as patriotism, integrity, unity, and humanity. True Burundians are known by those values. I take this opportunity to thank everyone of you for having sacrificed your other important occupation to attend this event, knowing how busy you can be in this country. Starting from one who had in the preparation. Today is an important day for our country. The Burundians must living here in Netherlands as independent. This is the time to make up our mind, because this day we celebrate Independence Day. It's a good opportunity to take a lot on where we come from and where we are going, especially on following steps for people who guided us the process of fighting for our independence. For example, Prince Rwagagasore was progress. In order to achieve development, he emphasized on the role of cooperatives working together for all Burundians need to progress, because no single Burundian would be left behind. In that view, I invite every Burundian who resides in the Kingdom of the Netherlands to come and work together. Nothing should separate us. I noticed all Burundians in their difference are here to celebrate our Independence Day. I encourage everyone willing to support our independence, especially in the area of developing our country, to feel free and join us.
Yeah. So we know the importance of a consulate, or in this case, an embassy with an ambassador that is welcoming, friendly, and that takes care of your interests here. And as your deputy mayor in Wassenaar. This is a great city. It's one of the most fancy cities in the country, if I may say so, although I'm maybe slightly biased. But it's our job to make sure, next to the ambassador, that you feel here at home. Please make sure to all the people from Burundi, our expat community, you are extremely valuable to us. It gives us new perspectives, insight all around the globe in our small city of Wassenaar, where a quarter of the people is actually from abroad, from Africa, Asia, the United States, from everywhere. This is very important to us. I welcome you to the city of Wassenaar. I hope you all feel at home. If there's anything I can do from my side to make you feel at home even more, please reach out to me. You're always very much welcome. I wish you all a very happy Burundi Day. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
ndaryohewe ndaryohewe kumubona ageze izabukuru n'icyome
naronse ubuhagwa
nk'uko muriko murabona yuko abarundi baje kwigina umunsi mukuru wa Independance du Burundi bari imyaka 61 Uburundi bwikukira murabona yuko baryohewe cyane ego ikaba ngaha turi mu gihugu cyo muri Hollande bire bita Wassemar ni ruhande y'igisagara bita Den Haag abarundi baryohewe nangere murakoze cyane mukurikirane ibintu uko niko biraryoha murabona yuko na la jeunesse yaryohewe